burning 500 more calories every ride until I hit 5,000 in one ride. Today is level 4, 2,000 calories. Let's get started.
Some rocks. Peanut butter banana sandwich is fuel. I just crank up the pace because if I finish the trail and I'm only at 1,400 calories, it's gonna be brutal to do another 600 anywhere else, but we'll see. Halfway. Halfway through, 15 miles. I had quad cramps and I'm out of water. Might be cooked, or it's just where boys become men. Potentially another 2 hours. We'll see what happens. I think I'm on mile 21. The trail is 24. And then I can get back to the car. Get some water since I'm out. Make the cramps go away. And finish up the rest of the calories. So I think I'll finish the trail at like 1,500. Then I'll do another 500 somehow, somewhere. If I can make it out of here without collapsing from cramps. A mile and a half more, hopefully, I think. Finishing up the trail. All right, finish the trail. 23 miles. Still got 600 more calories I need to burn. So I'm just gonna cruise around the campsite. Stopped the workout because the watch is about to die. Total time 5:12. 26 miles, active calories 1,600. Total calories 2,100. I'll trail run 2 miles on this trail. See what time I'm done, then add it to that. That way I for sure hit 2,000 calories.